Susie.
Look a bit nervous, Brian.
John, I'm fine. Usually so put
You just
together.
got to be cool.
Wow. I didn't know he was fancy dressed for it.
I've got to make an impression, darling.
You look like an angry lizard.
It's your best work.
Very subtle.
Fly away. Can I borrow it for Sunday church?
So this is Queen. And you must be Freddie Mercury. You've got a gift. You all have. So tell me, what makes Queen any different from all of the other wannabe rock stars I meet?
I'll tell you what it is. We're four misfits who don't belong together, playing to the other misfits. The outcasts, right at the back of the room, who are pretty sure they don't belong either. We belong to them.
We're a family.
But no two of us are the same.
Paul Printer, meet Queen, our new signing. Paul will be looking after you day to day.
Pleasure.
If I can get you on the radio, maybe I can get you on television.
Top of the pops.
Hopefully.
And then,
And then, it's only the biggest television program in the country. No one's ever even heard of you. Look, I admire your enthusiasm. If it goes well, if it happens, I've got a promotional tour of Japan in mind.
we'll want more.
Every band wants more.
Every band's not Queen.
And the Oscar goes to Bohemian Rhapsody, John Ottman.
This is the first Oscar nomination for John Ottman.